All right, McKay, what's going on today, buddy?
We are dirt bike racing.
We're going dirt bike racing, and when did we decide to do this?
Last night.
Anthony Family Adventures. I'm Dad.
Hi, McKay.
And we're going to go do dirt bike racing, McKay's very first dirt bike. We just got here to the Price County Fairgrounds. McKay, let's go register and make it happen, all right?
All right.
All right, let's do this. All right, check it out. McKay's getting ready for his race. This is the 50cc Open, so we got all expert riders here. And McKay's the only beginning rider, I bet. Okay, how you feeling, buddy? You good? You nervous? Here's McKay. Get ready for his race. There he goes. There he goes. McKay's off. This is his first race. Awesome, McKay. Hit it. He's killing it. Yeah. All right. Right over there. Nice job, McKay. For making that corner like a pro. There he goes. Look at that. He's taking these big jumps right there. Good, McKay. Good. Keep on going. Keep on going. It's hitting the mud patch. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice one, McKay. McKay's got it. Nice. Go for it. He's going to pass this racer right there. Keep on going. There he goes. Looking good. Alright, here's the second lap. Nice job, boys. There comes McKay. Looking good, McKay. Lap number 2. Alright.
Is that yours?
Yeah. This is his first race ever. Yeah, he's never done it. Oh, yeah. There's that motorbike rider right there. There's McKay. Let's go see how he did. Hey, here's McKay. He just did his first race. McKay, give me 5, buddy. You killed it, man. So tell me what happened. How was it?
Well, I was going, and then this guy like shoved me off.
Yeah?
So I went off of the track.
You did?
I went on it, and then, yeah, I did so.
So you went off the track and came back on? Dude, that's awesome. You did great, man. Alright guys, check out the competition for race number 2. McKay Anthony there, number 31. He's going in, he's in the red top. He's got that action, there we go. Do it, McKay. He's off in the front. Oh yeah. There we go. McKay looking good. Turbo, 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 watch the corner. Oh no, yeah. Woohoo, it's all about the bike. There they go, up and over the hill. Let's go check him on the far side. Alright, there's McKay again. Moving down to the far side of the track. Still in solid second place. Go, 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 McKay. Go turbo, buddy. Dude, I think McKay might be in first. I haven't seen that other rider come through. I think McKay is in first. That other rider crashed. McKay's in first place. His first race ever. Go, McKay! Look at that, he's in first place. Let's do it, McKay. Yeah. Nice job, McKay, number 1. He's leading the heat. Let's go, McKay. Come on, buddy. You got this. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Nice. Let's do this, McKay. Moving it down around. Where do we go? Keep on going. Look at that. He's gonna lap somebody. Let's go for it, buddy. Okay, there's McKay. Last lap. Call this a victory lap for McKay Anthony. Killing it on this motocross. He's at least 3 minutes ahead of his next closest competition. Nice job, McKay. Oh yeah, the mud has helped out McKay today. Alright, here's McKay, zipping around. This is his final lap. He's looking good. Is it not? race. Oh yeah. Let's do this, Mckay. Oh yeah. Look at this. Coming up through, killing the mud. Turbo up on top. Push it, push it.
I didn't mention. Okay, I heard.
There we go.
Yeah.
Here he is, Mckay. Look at
Is
this.
that your son?
Yeah, this is his first race too.
Let's do good.
Yeah, it's having fun. Oh. You big air. All right, Mckay. Looking great, buddy. Here's Mckay. Let's take this victory. Coming on in. There he is. He's exiting. Dude, Mckay, you killed it, buddy. That was awesome. Good job, man.
First place.
Oh no, I think everyone else got stuck in the mud. Let's see your dance. Oh yeah, first place dance. Way to go. You can thank the mud for that. All right. Do you want to say anything to your fans? Huh? What do you want to tell Mom?